20. Doubles. Come on and sing it with me. 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10.
Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Sheena Nambiar from Jagma World School. Today, 22nd December, we are celebrating this day as National Mathematics Day. It is the birthday of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Ramanujan was born on 22nd December 1887 in Erode, Madras at Tamil Nadu state. The declaration for National Mathematics Day on 22nd December was made by our former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh during the inaugural ceremony of the celebration to mark the 125th birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan was an Indian mathematical genius. It was in recognition of his contribution to mathematics, the Government of India decided to celebrate Ramanujan's birthday as the National Mathematics Day every year. It was also decided to celebrate 2012 as the National Mathematical Year. There are lots of activities held on this day. Many math exhibitions and games were held in schools. The main objectives of Mathematics Day is to people aware of the importance of the arithmetic, how it is present in day-to-day life, impacting our daily routine. It also encourages your minds to take an active interest in the subject. Now I am going to say a famous quote of Srinivasa Ramanujan. An equation means nothing to me unless it expresses a thought of God. Thank you.
Doubles. Make it easy. Doubles are simple to see. Doubles. Let's add them all to 20. Doubles. Come on and sing with me.
Hello everyone, I am Yogesh Santwani. As you all of you know that 22nd December is celebrated as a National Mathematics Day and today is National Mathematics Day. So on this occasion, I like to share some tricks of multiplication with you. The first trick is multiplication with 11. When any number multiplied with 11, how to solve this? In the conventional way, all of you know that suppose 63 multiplied with 11. All of you know that how to solve this. Ones place multiplied with ones place. 3 ones are 1 3 are 3. 1 into 6 6. Then make a cross at ones place. Then again 1 into 3 3. 1 into 2 6. So after adding you will get the answer 3 into nothing 3 9 6. As you all of you know that you can do 1 by 1 or directly multiply by 11. But in this trick, if 63 multiplied by 11, what to do? If any number multiplied with the 11, what to do? This digit keep at ones place. The first digit keep at ones place or this place, and in between them you have to add both this number. In between them you have to add both this number. So 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3, 9. 6 plus 3, 9. So your answer is 6, 9, 3. 6, 9, 3. In a one step you will get the answer. आपको क्या करना है? लास्ट डिजिट लास्ट में रखना है, फर्स्ट डिजिट फर्स्ट में, and in between them you have to add these two digits. Whatever you get, write down here. Let's take one more example of this. 34 into 11. In conventional way, it's you do like this. You will get the answer 4 7 3 7 4. Right? But using this technique 3 4 into 11, what you have to do? Write down 4 here, 3 this side, and between add both this. 3 plus 4 7. 3 plus 4 7. Directly you will get the answer. Okay. Let's check one more case. 73 into 11. Now write down 3 here, 7 here. Now 7 plus 3 is 10. So write down 0 here and 1 like a carry to next person. So 1 plus 7, you will get answer 8. You will get answer 8. So 803 is the answer. Whenever there is a carry, forward that carry to the next digit. Right? See, 92 into 11. 92 into 11. 2 as it is, 9 as it is. Then 1 plus 2 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Write down 1 here, here. 1 plus 9 is 10. So right now, this is the answer. I hope you understood. Let's move to the next technique. Okay, let's see one more technique. Multiplication with the series of 90. Wait, suppose take example 92 multiplied with the series of 9. That is 99. So what we do? Conventional way you know. 9 to 15 raised to 1, 9 63, 64. Again make a cross. Then 8, 6, 4. This is you already know. You know. After adding you will get 8, 2, 1 and 7. 7 to 1. But while solving this, you have to follow the 3 steps. First stage, second stage, then adding. Right? In this trick, what you have to do? When 72 multiplied with the series of 9, that is 99. So what you have to do? You have to subtract 1 from the upper number. You have to subtract 1 from this 72. 72 minus 1, you will get 71. So write down 71 at the bottom. Now, after that, you have to subtract each digit from 9. You have to subtract this each digit from 9. 9 minus 7, ये क्या करना है आपको? ये डिजिट आपको 9 से सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है. 9 minus 7, 2. And 9 minus 1, 8. See the result. Both are same. Here you get answer in only one step. What you have to do? जो नंबर दिया हुआ है उसमें से आपको एक सब्सट्रैक्ट करना है. So 72 becomes 71, and this 7 and 1 you have to get subtracted from the digit 9. Digit 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 1, 8. Okay? Let's take one more. See, 85 into 99. Just now I told you the technique. Just subtract 1 from the given number. 85 becomes 84. And subtract this digit from 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 4. This will be done. In a one step you will get the answer. Okay? Now see the bigger number. 6, 4, 5, 3, 8 into 9, 9, 9, 9. In this problem, if you solve using the conventional way, you require 6 steps. Each time you have to multiply with the 9 and last you have add. So what you have to do? Simply subtract 1 from this number. So answer becomes 6, 4, 5, 3 and 7. Just subtract 1 from the given number. And now each digit gets subtracted from 9. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 5, sorry 4, answer is 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. And 9 minus 7, 2. You can check using the calculator, you will get the same answer. Okay? कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो, if it is multiplied with the series of 9, what you have to do? Just subtract 1 from the given number, and after that each digit आपको 9 से subtract करना है. Let's take one more case. Suppose 42 multiplied by the 999. 42 multiplied by the 999. So here is 2 digit, here is 3 digit. Simply you have to write down, consider this as 0. So write down 0 and 1 minus from here, 41. And now subtract each digit from 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 1, 8. Right? This will be the answer. I hope you understood this. Okay? Now let's see the next technique, squaring with the series of 5. Okay? If you are multiplying same number which is ending with the 5, 25 into 25. So what you have to do, simply multiply this 5 into 5. 5 into 5, you will have 25. So you are multiplying 25 with 25. 2 is there. So multiply the next 2 with the next digit. Next digit is 3. 2 into 3, 6. So write down here, you will get the answer 6 to 5. You will get the answer 6 to 5. You can verify it. 25 into 25. 5 5s are 25. 12, 10, 6. Both answers are same. Instead of solving conventional method, if both the number ended with 5 and both are same, then you can use this technique. Multiply 5 into 5 and multiply 2 with the next digit. If the number is 2, multiply with the next digit. Let's see one more example. 65 into 65, right? Both are the same ending with the 5. So what you have to do? 6 is here. Which is the next number? 7. 6, 7 is 42. So answer will be 42. Understood? Let's see one more. Last one. 55 into 55. 5 5 is 25 and their number is 5. So take the next digit 30. So answer is 3025. Okay, this is nothing but squaring with the series of 5. I hope you understand this technique. At the end, I like to quote that I love mathematics because it teaches me every problem has a solution. Okay, thank you.
Doubles make it easy. Doubles are simple to see. Doubles, let's add them all to 20. Doubles, come on and sing with me.
Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. I am Baijun Nadar, faculty of Maths in JWS. तो आज मैं बच्चों आपको मैथ्स का इम्पोर्टेंस के बारे में बता रहा हूँ, क्योंकि हम क्या मना रहे हैं, इंटरनेशनल मैथमेटिक्स डे मना रहे हैं। तो मैं आज आपको क्या बताना चाहता हूँ, मैथ्स का इम्पोर्टेंस बताना चाहता हूँ। सो आई एम गिविंग यू द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स इन द इंटरनेशनल मैथमेटिक्स डे। तो मुझे पता है सभी बच्चों को मैथ्स बहुत टफ लगता है, लेकिन मैथ्स टफ नहीं है, मैथ्स बहुत ईजी सब्जेक्ट है। और कोई क्या समझते हैं मैथ्स बहुत टफ है, लेकिन सबसे ईजी सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स है। और मैथ्स के जैसा आपको इजी सब्जेक्ट कभी नहीं मिला, क्योंकि मैथ्स क्या है, नंबर्स से पूरा भरा है, नंबर्स फ्रैक्शन से भरा है। तो मैथ्स के जैसा आपको कौन सा भी सब्जेक्ट नहीं मिलेगा। तो सभी सुने इसका इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स के बारे में। फर्स्ट पॉइंट, मैथमेटिक्स इज द आर्ट ऑफ गिविंग नेम्स टू डिफरेंट थिंग्स। द ओनली वे टू लर्न मैथमेटिक्स इज टू डू द मैथमेटिक्स। Everyone around us is mathematics. Everyone around us is numbers. Without mathematics, there is nothing in the world. So, mathematics is very important for each and everyone in the life. Next, I am going to give the vote of thanks. First of all, I like to give the thanks to the founder of our school, Mr. Jagdish Patil sir and Mrs. Maya Tai. Next, I like to give thanks to the Honorable Chairman, Dr. Priyam Patil sir. Next, I like to give thanks to Honorable Secretary, Mrs. Mona Lisa Priyam Patil ma'am. Next, I like to give thanks to our school advisor, Professor S.S. Patil sir. Next, I like to give thanks to our academic coordinator Christopher sir. Next, I like to give thanks to all the supporting staff of Jagma World School for supporting in the International Mathematics Day. Next, which is important, I like to give thanks to all the students, those who are participating in the International Mathematics Day. Thank you.
Double. Make it easy.
Come on now,
I said doubles are simple to see.